At Dell, we noticed that webcams really could use a little bit of TLC. As an engineer, I'm really excited about solving that problem, but as someone who also has a photography background, I bring a lot of passion to that. The lens is really the heart of any camera system. We chose to use a 4-element design as opposed to a 3-element design. A lens with multiple elements does a better job focusing the image on all parts of the frame. We really pioneered the use of a technology we call active alignment for the assembly of PC webcams. Active alignment is essentially a more compact way of assembling the camera using very accurate robotics. We were able to reduce the camera size almost by a factor of 3 to a scant 2.7 millimeters, which allows us to fit it in extremely narrow border displays. When you have an edge-to-edge display, the size of the whole device can be smaller. That means it's more portable, it means it can be lighter, and it looks great when you're using it. Another way we achieved improved video quality was employing a technology we call temporal noise reduction. You see almost a 3 to 4 times improvement in the low light performance of cameras employing this technology. We are happy to deliver a camera with bright colors, clear details, and the ability to use it just about anywhere.